Welcome to Princess Auto Stadium, one of Winnipeg's premier sports and entertainment venues. As our drone rises above the landscape, we begin with a spectacular view of South Winnipeg, the Red River, and the Fort Garry area. Ahead lies Princess Auto Stadium, a landmark that has become a symbol of Manitoba sports and community events. Opened in 2013, Princess Auto Stadium was built to replace the former Canad Inn Stadium and provide a modern home for football and entertainment. The stadium's distinctive roof structure and modern steel design make it one of the most recognizable venues in Western Canada. As we circle the stadium, notice the impressive scale of the facility and its strategic location beside the University of Manitoba. Princess Auto Stadium is home to the Winnipeg Blue Bombers, one of the most successful and historic franchises in Canadian football. For decades, Blue Bombers fans have proudly supported their team, creating one of the most passionate sporting communities in Canada. On game days, tens of thousands of fans gather here to cheer on their team and enjoy an unforgettable atmosphere. The stadium was designed with spectator comfort in mind, featuring modern amenities, premium seating areas, and excellent sightlines. Large entrance plazas and pedestrian pathways help welcome visitors and efficiently move crowds during major events. The surrounding parking facilities accommodate guests arriving from Winnipeg and communities throughout Manitoba. From above, the architectural details become more apparent, highlighting the careful planning behind this modern venue. The stadium regularly hosts football games, concerts, community celebrations, and other large-scale events throughout the year. Its location within the University of Manitoba campus creates a unique connection between professional sports and higher education. Now we move inside the stadium, where the scale of the seating bowl becomes fully visible from above. Thousands of seats surround the field, providing excellent viewing angles for spectators throughout the venue. The partially covered grandstands help protect fans from weather, while maintaining the excitement of an open-air stadium. At the center lies the playing field, where athletes compete before some of the most enthusiastic fans in Canadian football. When filled with supporters, the energy inside Princess Auto Stadium creates an unforgettable game day experience. As we pull away from the stadium, its full relationship with the surrounding landscape becomes easier to appreciate. The venue is surrounded by green space, walking paths, and natural areas that complement its modern architecture. Nearby ponds provide habitat for local wildlife, including ducks, geese, and other birds commonly seen throughout Winnipeg. The contrast between natural scenery and modern engineering creates a unique setting rarely found in large sports venues. From this distance, the stadium stands as a recognizable landmark within the broader Winnipeg landscape. As we make our final approach, Princess Auto Stadium once again becomes the focus of our journey. Thank you for joining this aerial tour of Princess Auto Stadium, one of Winnipeg's most iconic sporting landmarks.